Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone. So if you have YouTube TV application installed in your phone and now you want to disconnect your phone with YouTube TV, you just have to simply do this step. So first of all, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store and click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to go to payments and subscriptions, and here you need to go to payment methods. Now over here you will be able to see the subscriptions option, so you need to click on subscriptions, and here you will see the YouTube TV's subscription. So you need to simply click on it, and after clicking on it, instead of cancelling the subscription, you will be able to see the pause option over here. So you just have to simply click on that, and after selecting the duration of the week, you can pause your YouTube subscription, and this way you will be able to disconnect your phone with YouTube TV, or you can simply uninstall YouTube TV application and it will be disconnected automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.